closing your eyes and getting ready to find the power within yourself to transmute. Today we are transmuting pain and turning it into healing and loving power. Starting with the breath, I'll count you in and we are going to breathe together. A 4-second inhale and a 6-second exhale. Starting with the inhale now. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now I want you to regulate your breathing to whatever feels good to you. And putting one or both hands somewhere on your body where you felt pain, finding where the emotional pain in your body lives right now. Maybe it's on your chest and being held in your heart. Maybe it's the stomach and there's digestive issues going on. The sacral, the womb space where there's trauma. Maybe it's the low back or the hips and the root chakra seeking stability. Or the throat for not speaking up, not being able to express boundaries right now. The forehead with migraines and headaches of not being able to tap in and truly listen to our intuition. Or at the crown where we're having a hard time with connecting with spirit. Wherever your hands are, or wherever your focus is, start to feel the pain that's there. Knowing that you're safe, you can allow it to expand. Let it expand into your hands so that you can hold it. Practice waving the pain in and out. Bring your hands away from your body, expanding. And then bring it closer back to the body, pushing it back in. Feeling the expansion and the repression and how your body responds when we allow the feelings to be felt. And then what happens when we push it back in and try to repress it. Start to ground yourself. Feel roots of light moving and filling your body and expanding out into the ground beneath you. Allowing the roots to work through all the layers of the earth, down through your home first if it has to do that. And again, down through the layers of the earth, the different types of soil, the rocks, the underground water, the magma, and attaching itself to the core of the earth. When we ground and connect to the earth, we allow ourselves to move any emotions and pain and stuckness that is in our body down and through, and we allow it to filter through Mother Earth. Intend for that pain and all of that which is being held within you now, that you don't want or isn't serving you, that is fear-based, anything you don't want. Feel it moving down and through you, out of your body, through the back body or through your feet, and seeing it filtering through the soil and moving closer and closer to Mother Earth, her core. And intend, as everything is moving down, for all of this stuff to be filtered, and when it hits the core, for it to be transmuted with the power of our intention and the help of Mother Earth, for it to be turned into loving kindness, unconditional love, a white light, healing, and allow it to come back to us. This energy we never wanted in the first place, transformed and transmuted into something we do want. Healing. See it pass through the core and circulate back up towards you. Feel the healing energy move up and through your body, filling you and pushing out anything else that is no longer serving. Maybe you can picture a color. It could be gray or black, any of the colors of the rainbow, and pushing all of that out, allowing it to go down and through the earth and come back up as white light and filling you entirely. Know that you have the power to fill yourself up, to transmute energy that you no longer want into energy that can be used for healing and love. Feel into your power, the power of transmutation that you own. And if you feel that there's something that's still stuck, and you can't quite get it out of your body yet, know that that's okay. We have other guides that we can call upon now to help us with some of the more stubborn stuckness in our body. So now we call upon our healed ancestors, our angels, our spirit guides, goddess archetypes, and see who shows up for you. See them approach, holding out their hands, or their hooves, their paws, their wings. See them with an open and receiving gesture. They want you to place whatever is still stuck and that we were not able to yet transmute, whatever still doesn't feel good to us. We hand it to them. It's the gift that they've been waiting for. Hand it over to them and watch as they close their hands and it disappears. When they open their hands up again, the palms are empty. They smile at you and close their palms once more and open it again. And now, in their hands, there is a gift. What color is the gift wrapped in? What color bow is on it? Just something to notice before you walk up and take the offering, the gift exchange that your guide is now holding and offering to you. Take the gift and feel into it. What did we just exchange our pain for? This is another form of transmutation with the help of others. What is the gift that you received? Open it now. Offer gratitude to yourself and to your spirit guide for helping you with the transmutation of the energies that we no longer needed and turning them into gifts of healing and love and light. Coming back to the breath, I'll count 3 of them for you. Inhaling for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your breathing to its regular pace. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Journaling may be something that you would like to do with this particular meditation now. Express what you transmuted and what you changed it into. Again, giving yourself and your guide gratitude for the power in releasing, giving, offering, and then receiving something beautiful in return. Write what guide came to you, what the gift looked like, what the gift itself was, and anything else that feels good to you. Thank you for doing this meditation with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day.